Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon, owner of Sunflower Photo Solutions and the founder of Dig Your Photos. I'm going to give you a few tips that will come in very handy this summer with Independence Day coming up and summer weddings and graduation and other celebrations, or even when you go on vacation, maybe to Disney World, and there are fireworks everywhere and you want to get that perfect photo. Have you ever tried that? And it's so frustrating because you take your iPhone and you take the picture and it just doesn't come out the way you want it to. It's very disappointing. So I have some tips, three to start with, to really getting some great photos of fireworks.
So the first tip is to turn off the flash. The flash on your iPhone is great for low light situations, but it's really not helpful when photographing fireworks. The bright bursts of light from the flash will not reach the fireworks because they're so far away. And it will light up any object around you and then create unwanted glare and reflections, getting in the way of taking the firework picture. So turn off that flash. Open the camera app, tap on the lightning bolt icon that's at the top of the screen where the arrow is, and select off. The next tip is to use live photos. You open your camera app, you tap the circular icon on the top right of the screen to enable the live photos. Then you just tap on your shutter button to take the photo of the fireworks. What is a live photo? When you take a live photo, the camera actually records 1.5 seconds before and 1.5 seconds after you hit the shutter. This is great for fireworks because you can pick the best frame that you want as your picture. And the last tip I'm going to tell you is to enable your camera's focus lock. Fireworks are moving, dynamic things, and they can confuse your iPhone's autofocus. So by enabling focus lock, you can ensure that your camera remains focused on the fireworks and it will provide clearer, sharper images. So to enable focus lock, all you do is you open the camera app, you frame your shot, you will have fireworks in your view. I used a model, which is just sunscreen, and you tap and hold the screen where you want to set the focus until you see the AE/AF lock appear at the top. Locking the focus ensures that your iPhone doesn't keep refocusing with each new burst, and it allows you to capture stunning shots that are crisp and consistent.
So there you have it. I'd love to see the fireworks photos that you take this summer and how amazing they are. Put them in the comments. I'd love for you to share with everyone and tell me if these tips helped you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. And don't forget to check out digyourphotos.com.